He's not alone. Emily's with him, and Emily would never let anyone hurt Clifford.
It's gonna be okay, boy. Really.
Why, this must be Clifford.
It's okay, Clifford. She's gonna make you feel better.
Goodness, you're a big boy, aren't you? I just moved here myself, and I've been looking forward to meeting you. Emily tells me you've been really itchy. I just want to take a quick look. May I? He seems to have a rash.
Is that bad?
Nothing a little cream won't fix.
Well, it's going to take a lot of cream to cover Clifford's back.
True, but I think I know how we can do this.
What's going on down there? What are they doing to him?
Gee, Cleo, maybe they're just stopping his itch.
I can't take it anymore. I gotta go see for myself.
Okay, bring it in. We'll take care of this once and for all.
Oh, that can't be good.
What are they doing to Clifford?
Okay, that's good.
I think he likes it, Cleo.
His tail sure seems happy.